Yes. I am the vice mayor of the city of Antwerp. I am the alderman for, let's see, public space, digitalization, marketing, communication, economics, industry, public space I already said, I think, innovation and legal affairs, I think, and work. Voila, now I'm there, I think. So, I learn every second. Every second. I was listening to you. I know Willeke. I know some of the problems and the traffic issues hospitals have to deal with. But if I'm listening to you, I see the importance of being in a very fast way with patients, with the blood supply. So it's a very important issue we're discussing. For me, as the city of Antwerp, I'm looking at the subject from a point of view from innovation. For me, innovation is very, very, very important. And I add what you just said. I think at the moment we are facing one of the biggest, maybe the biggest challenge humankind ever faced, the climate change, and we need a smart, green, sustainable mobility. The urge is high, so that is why for me it's important to be open for innovation, to be open for ecosystems which bring together and which matchmake big companies, knowledge institutions, universities. But also startups with new creative ideas. And as a city, I think we have to support them. We have to support them by providing some spaces as the Blue Health Innovation Center, for example. It's a collaboration with Ghent, in which we do research for e-health. But we also have Vaccinopolis, and as a city we are also partner of Vaccinopolis, together with Flanders, together with the federal government, with the Institution for Tropical Medicine. And it's so important to create spaces where people can meet, can do their research, can try to find out solutions for the big problems we have. And as a city also, besides those physical hubs, we try to encourage the innovation and innovative companies by financial support, by launching calls. So that is what we do on behalf of the government part. And innovation, we are now here with Helicus, SAFIR, so we know each other. We met each other a few times in our digital hub for digital innovation, the Beacon. I will invite all of you to come and visit it, because there are your headquarters.
We have a beautiful terrace with view on the...
And then also a beautiful terrace with a view on the... It's on the port and also on the Schelde. So yes, let's go there. But also a very important ecosystem and a very nice, dynamic group of new creative players who try out solutions for the challenges we're facing.
Sure.